Hello, Sanbonani, this beautiful day. My name is CBO. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Today we're making blueberry pancakes and they are the best. Please check the description box for a list of ingredients and more. Let's begin. Wash and dry lemon or the lime and zest it. Here I'm covering the grater to help the zest not to stick on the grater. It becomes easier this way. I just want to welcome those who are new to this channel. Please subscribe and press the notification bell. You'll be notified of the new post. In a mixing bowl, mix sugar and lemon zest. This mixture smells great. Sift in flour, baking powder, bicarbonate of soda and salt. Set them aside. In another bowl, beat eggs. Did you know that you can make these pancakes without eggs and they will still be good? Add vegetable oil or melted butter and mix. Add buttermilk or amasi, or if you don't have, just add milk and mix. You may add vanilla essence if you like, or just because you can. Mix both the dry and the wet ingredients and stop mixing when it still has lumps. A big shout out to my Easy family for your continuous support. You are my faves, my favorite people. Now gently mix in the blueberries. Do not be hard so that they do not break and you do not overmix. Once done mixing, heat the pan on medium to low heat. Melt a small amount of butter. Then scoop in the pancake dough. It doesn't matter how they shape, even if they look like amoebas, as long as they are delicious and well cooked. Turn them over when they start to be golden at the bottom and they have bubbles. The first one was burnt. Let's make the second one. Let's see. Please press the like button and leave a comment below about your thoughts on this recipe. Oh, this one is better. We are improving. This last one was my best. You may add blueberries as you cook the pancakes to make sure that everyone gets the blueberries. Continue until all the batter is finished. I have garnished them with butter and fresh blueberries on top, and added maple syrup, or you may use honey. I hope you enjoy your breakfast. Thank you so much for your time. Hope to see you soon on my next upload. Bye bye.